Welcome you to the course of C programming. Myself, Raghuprasad Konandur. I am the instructor for this course. A brief introduction about me. I have done my BE and MS. I have overall 27 years of experience. I was a lecturer in an engineering college for about 7 years. I am into IT from last 20 years. I work with various companies like Cisco, CSC, ICICI group of companies, First Apex. I'm currently into corporate training and consultancy. As part of my corporate career, I started as a Java developer and worked all the way to become a solution architect. And I got the opportunity to work with various technologies like Java, C, Python, web technologies, JavaScript technologies, Internet of Things, test automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And I provide training to various corporates as well as educational institutions in Karnataka and outside Karnataka. So let's understand what is C. We already know there are so many programming languages. C is one of the programming language. It is called as a procedural programming language, wherein which we write sub procedures or function which can do a specific task. And as we know, it was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. So it was developed mainly as a system programming language to write the operating system or compiler development. C is one of the program which we all started, and it is known as the mother of programming languages, as it is base for other programming languages like C, C++, Java or C Sharp. Let us understand the features of C language. So C is one of the procedural language. It's fast and efficient as it works closely with the underlying hardware. It is called as a middle level language. Nowadays, the many programming language what we work with like Java or Python or C Sharp or C++, we call them as the higher level programming languages, where much of the things are hidden. The things which we work with the operating system, most of the things are hidden in that, and it's mainly abstracted. Whereas C is a middle level language, it can easily work with the lower level instructions as well as the higher level. So that's why it is called as the middle level language. So as it closely work with the operating system, obviously it's fast and efficient compared to other programming languages, where we can write many functions and libraries in C programming, which will help us in getting the modularity. So we can write the reusable code, and we can create libraries in C programming, and that could be used in other programs we write in C. And it's statically typed in the sense the data type which we define in C program. So we need to explicitly define the data type, and if there is any error in terms of defining the data type or the size, it would be shown during the compilation time. So that's why we call it as the statically typed program. And it's a general purpose program, even though it is specifically designed for compiler development and all. We can do much more than that. It has a lot of built-in operators which would help us doing a lot of mathematical work. And it has built-in libraries with rich functions which would help us to develop the program easily. And it's portable in the sense like if you write a program in C programming with little or no modification, you can use the same program on other operating systems or other architecture. And it is easy to extend in a sense when you write a C program and then you can add the additional things and it is easy to extend the program. So now the question is, why should I learn C? We know like you have a lot of options of the higher level programming language. Still, it's very much essential to understand and learn C program because it helps us in understanding the underlying architecture of the program as well as underlying architecture of working with operating systems, memory management. We use like pointers which works closely with the memory locations. And C is the best programming language to understand the fundamentals of computer theories like computer networks, compiler design, computer architecture, operating system, because most of the programs are based on the C in those particular areas. So in terms of understanding the network, memory management, CPU cache, it's very much essential to learn and understand C programming. Also, C is very much very much used in embedded programming. It's being extensively used. Day-to-day life, we use a lot of devices which are based on the microcontrollers, be it a washing machine or be it a coffee maker, be it a micro oven. Many of them work on the microcontrollers. So C could be used to write the programs for the microcontrollers as well as automotives. It's extensively used, robotics and hardware interfaces. C is extensively used. Now with the emergence of the smart city projects, so there is a lot of embedded programming we have to write. So that's why it's very much essential to learn C program. And fact of the matter is, world is powered by C program. In the sense, most of the operating systems which we use, be it computer operating system or mobile operating systems, the kernels of those operating systems are written using C program. For example, Microsoft Windows kernel, Linux, Mac or mobile, that is kernels of the iOS, Android and Windows Phone are mostly written using C program. Well-known databases like Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL, PostgreSQL also written using C program. Embedded systems, for example, alarm clock, microwave, or like coffee maker, TVRs, TV set box, or radio, they are all also written using C programming. Extensive usage of C programming in automobile in terms of automatic transmission, tire pressure detections, sensors, various sensors for oxygen, temperature, oil level, as well as the various dashboards, and then the anti-lock brakes, cruise control, airbags. So most of them are written or controlled using the C program. And top technology companies are hiring C programmers in India as well as abroad. Companies like Boeing, especially in the aerospace, and the core technology companies like HCL, Capgemini, or like many other companies are hiring C programmers. So that's why very important to learn C programming. So I congratulate you for registering for this particular course, and it's the C program which does the magic. It's not some magician who is going to do the magic. So to conclude, it's not the Illuminati who run the world, it's the C programmers too. So welcome back again. Thank you for watching this